Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Another big exciting day in my kitchen. Where are we going? What are we making? Guys, we're doing our 10 sauces. Are you ready? We're doing our 10 sauces. This is sauce number 4. When you get a chance, message me below. Tell me what the other 3 sauces were. Today we're going to make something absolutely delicious. The aroma, I always say it's stronger on the nose than the tongue, but the aroma is going to give it away. We're going to do a pesto. Oh, we're going to do a basil pesto, and it is going to be awesome and delicious. It's fun, it's simple, it's easy. It's such a great recipe for the summer, and it is something that everybody loves. Without getting into too much history, pesto is actually from Rome. I know, we all thought it was from Genoa, but technically the origin of pesto is from Rome, and it was made with a lot of different herbs, and they would smash it and break it up, which is kind of what pesto means, right? And then you would add other ingredients. As it moved its way to Genoa, it actually became that basic pesto. But I'm going to show you, when I was in Italy and I was working with some nonnas, there's just a couple of little extra tweaks that make it from awesome to absolutely molto delizioso. You know what I mean? I mean, it's just awesome, just absolutely delicious. All right, so what do you say? Let's go over ingredients. Let's start having some fun. First thing you're going to need is some basil leaves. Oh, this is just awesome. You're going to want 4 cups of basil leaves. So try to get the freshest basil you can get. Next, you're going to need about a cup of extra virgin Italian olive oil. Definitely going to need some salt. I've got today, it has no aroma whatsoever, but I do have some French sea salt. It's briny, earthy. Hey, let's be honest, French are sexy, Italians are sexy. I think the Italians are more sexy. You can message me below. You'll need about a half a teaspoon of salt, whether you're using the French, how you doing, you sexy person, or a half a teaspoon of I like the Sicilian flat sea salt. Fresh ground pepper. Now, the basic recipe doesn't always call for black ground pepper, but I like it. And hey, it's my pesto recipe, so we're doing a cookie at Italian with Joe style. But the nonnas in Italy, and my family's from northern Italy, they like to put a little pepper in there, so I do too. I like a little bit of it. Next, you're going to need some cheeses. Now, traditionally, Genovese pesto is going to be Parmesan Reggiano. Oh, look at that. See, I've been a good boy. I haven't taken a chunk out of that, and it's early. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that with a cup of coffee. I don't know if you've ever had it in the morning. It's pretty good. But we're going to want some Parmigiano Reggiano with this, and you're going to want, 4 tablespoons-ish. One of the other cheeses, not necessarily in the basic recipe, is a Pecorino Romano. Now, this cheese is a little saltier. This is from sheep. It's good. I mean, it is awesome. It's better than good. One of my favorite cheeses. These 2 are my favorite cheeses. So you'll see a lot of the, even in Genovese, but even in Genoa, but you're going to see a lot of the recipes actually have a mixture of both. So I like to do about 2 to 4 of the Parmesan Reggiano and 2 to 4 of the Pecorino Romano. Pecorino Romano is a little salty, so that's why we're only using a half a teaspoon of salt. Garlic time, that's right. So you're going to want 4 cloves of garlic. Essentially, you want 2 cloves for every 2 cups of basil is the general rule here. So we're going to have about 4 cups of basil, so you're going to want 4 cloves of garlic. You're going to need some pine nuts. I got about 4 tablespoons, heaping tablespoons of pine nuts, and I'm going to show you something real special when we make this, so stay tuned when I get ready to put these in. There's a little something to make them absolutely delicious. You're going to need pasta. My favorite pasta to have this with is either a fettuccine or a gnocchi. So I do love gnocchis. They're absolutely delicious. Today we're using a fettuccine. Hey, how you doing? What's going on? A couple of things really important. Number 1, you want this to come out molto delizioso. You got to subscribe to the channel. So hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell. We got a lot going on in the farm right now. We got a lot coming out with the olive oil. We're going to be in Italy all summer. So check us out. Anything we got going on, come right to your notification box, including our sauces here that we got, that we're pumping out recipes with. Now, the first thing we want to do, guys, that little extra, when I hook up with my nonnos in Italy, they toast your nut. So this can be made with a walnut. It can be made with pecans. But walnuts are real common. Chestnuts I've seen it with. But you can also make it with pine nuts. So we're going to toast the pine nuts. Just get them a little brown, release the oils, add a little depth of flavor, caramelization to these. Take your 4 tablespoons of pine nuts, put them in a pan, spread it out as best as you can, and then I like to put a cover over it. Set this at medium heat. It'll take us about 8 to 10 minutes. Now, guys, we need 4 cloves of garlic. So Open up your garlic bulb here. Just whack your garlic. So we're going to call that 4 cloves of garlic. One of my first tips here, we're going to take our garlic, we're going to throw it in the food processor. Half a teaspoon-ish, guys, of my salt. Quarter teaspoon-ish of my ground pepper. Now here's the issue. I want to grind that up, and I need to add just a little bit of oil right now, just a little bit, in order to create enough liquid in there to really mulch that. I don't want to wait until I put my basil leaves in there, because then I'm grinding my basil sometimes too much. I'm generating too much heat. So this is what I want to really mush. I want to make this unbelievably smooth and mushy. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil. I know this kind of is a little opposite of what we see sometimes, but trust me on this. Pulse it quick. Pine nuts, guys, we're going to throw them right in, toasted. Oh, that's beautiful. This we're going to pulse down for about 15 seconds. Clean it, and then do it again for 15 seconds. That is perfect. Now it's basil leaves, no stems, just leaves. Now we're gonna put this on and pulse it. Now we add 1 cup of olive oil, extra virgin, Vito and Joe's if we have it in stock. We're gonna do 1 scrape down. We're almost done, so we wanna add our cheeses. So first I'm gonna add my pecorino. We're gonna put about 4 tablespoons of the pecorino in, and I like using the microplaner. And now, guys, we're doing the Parmesan Reggiano. Now let's give it a quick pulse stir. That's all we're looking for. Oh, can you get the aroma out of that or what? Time to cook the pasta, guys. We're gonna season that water with a heavy teaspoon, give it a stir, and then go ahead and put our fettuccine in there. You guys love our bowls here. This is Makenzie Childs. We're actually an affiliate for them. Hit the link below, and anything you get from our link, we get a small commission as an affiliate. Help support the channel. We're gonna cook our pasta 6 to 9 minutes. Give everything a nice stir. The key on good pasta, guys, is a lot of water, season it well, and keep stirring. And always pull your pasta out about a minute before you think it's done. That's the key to al dente. All right, our pasta's done. Let's prep our bowl. I know there's a theme here, guys. I'm gonna take our Makenzie Child, and I'm gonna throw a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit, a splash, maybe a teaspoon plus in the bottom of my dish. And don't worry if you get a little water in there, but we're gonna take our pasta, we're gonna put it right in our bowl. Look at it, it's so fresh, it's blowing right out of the bowl here. And to get everything a quick stir, grab some pesto. So I'm gonna put about 1.5 tablespoons right there. Next, I'm gonna take my Parmesan Reggiano and just hit it. Finish it off, guys. I'm gonna put some pine nuts on there. Taste time. I'm gonna spread this out a little bit. You guys ready for a taste? Just the nose of that, the perfuma of the basil, of the pesto, so good. Oh man, I'm just telling you, my mouth is watering. You've got the basil, you've got the pine nuts, the garlic. Oh yeah. The basil's phenomenal. The pasta is perfect, al dente. The garlic really comes at you. The pine nuts, oh, I love them roasted. The olive oil flavor comes at you a little bit in the beginning, and then just fills your mouth with that delicious extra virgin, that olive flavor. You know what that tasted like? More. I think this is my favorite sauce. I say that every time I make a sauce, I can't help it. I make a sauce, and I'm like, wow, this is delicious. I think this is my favorite sauce. And I make another sauce, and I'm like, this is delicious. I think that's my favorite sauce. Guys, thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen today for Genovese pesto with fettuccine pasta. I mean, I don't think you could, I don't think you get any better than this. I'm definitely eating the rest of that. If you're wondering where that's going to be, it's going to be right here in about 10 minutes. A couple of quick tips, guys, to get the most out of our relationship. Make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. Also, really important, and really the main reason I do my videos, once a week, once a month, get around the table with your family, your friends, your brothers, your sisters, your aunts, your uncles, your grandparents. Hopefully you still got them. Make something, burn something. I don't know, have some fun in the kitchen, you know. Shut off the cell phone, shut off the computer, shut off the TV, and celebrate your heritage, whatever it may be. It doesn't matter. Celebrate it. Have fun with it. And even more important than that, guys, you're going to set traditions with your family, the people you love. They're going to last you a lifetime. I know they did for me. Hey, guys, from my kitchen ears, until next week, mwah, bon appetito.